Hey guys, my name is Shilpi and welcome to Snazz Me Up. Today I'll be sharing with you my review about this starter makeup brush set that I got recently from Miniso. If you're someone who is recently starting off with their hands in makeup, then I feel like this is something you should definitely invest in because this is great for all your eyeshadow looks. So I will be telling you about the brush one by one. As you can see, these are 5 brushes right over here. So I'll just first start by taking this out of the packaging and just set it all out. So these are the 5 brushes right over here. And this is what it looks like. These are quite lightweight. The brush over here, the hair is made of synthetic fiber with aluminium bodies and plastic bodies, which makes it very lightweight. Very simple and easy to use, and since they're not that expensive, you can actually practice your hand quite a bit on them. So the first one over here is the eyeshadow brush. This is what it looks like. The bristles are actually quite soft. You can use this to create stunning eye makeup. You can use this best with powdered eyeshadow. I mean, at least that's what I'm most comfortable with this brush. It easily blends in your loose powder quite comfortably all over eyeshadow, and you can use this for like some really amazing looks. The second one over here is this angled brush, which actually works perfectly well with your eyeline and your waterline. You can use this specifically to maybe create some sort of an eyeliner look. With gel line especially, this will work pretty great. The third one over here is the concealer brush. This works really well to conceal any flaws or any sort of fallout that you might have on the corner of your eyes. Basically, you can just dab a little bit of concealer on this. So you can just dab a little bit of concealer on your eye and just, clean it quite consistently, clean it quite neatly with this. The fourth one over here is the blending brush. It's a little bit more compact than the others, and I personally think this works brilliantly with thicker eyeshadows, especially the gel ones. So if I want to add like a little extra layer of, say, a glittery eyeshadow, I can just blend it in very comfortably with my base using this brush. The last one over here and the fifth one is a liner brush. Basically, this is used for your lipstick. You can use this to actually line the edges and the corners of your lipstick without smudging it or without actually getting out of the line. This also, I'm still learning how to use this, but it is very comfortable for me. So all in all, this is quite a compact set and it's quite comfortable. Like I said, if you're starting off or if you know somebody who's just starting off with their makeup, especially with their eye makeup, this is a really good idea to get them.